The reasons for the patch tablet welding. 1. The size of the two ends of the pad is different, or the printing amount of solder paste is not equal, will make the pad heating and solder paste flow time is unbalanced, and the formation of the tablet. 2. Solder paste printing is too thick. Solder paste melting surface tension will be very large. At the same time, the whole pad heat capacity is too large. 2. Solder paste is not melted at the same time, the probability of increasing. 3. Preheating temperature is low and the time is short. Component at both ends of the solder paste melting time is more likely to be out of sync, resulting in tension imbalance at both ends. 4. Mount offset. Whether the solder paste printing is hard or component mount error, reflux, and the more contact with the solder end, obtain more heat and melt first. The two ends of the tension difference caused by the stone. Pay attention to me. Take you to know more about PCBA knowledge.